Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video we will be covering the Contact Center Portal dashboard and the Always On queue. The Contact Center Portal dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your contact center. Within the dashboard, real-time contact center data is presented in both tabular and graphical formats. Users are presented with data for each of their available media stream types. And this data can be viewed for the day, for the week, and additionally for the month if required. Please note, for display purposes, the media stream table will display all media streams regardless of whether or not they are actively being used by the contact center. For example, if you are only using web chat, then only data for web chat will be displayed. On the right side of the dashboard, contact center information is displayed in a graphical format. To refresh current data, users can simply click on the refresh icon. Additionally, by clicking on the cog icon, users can adjust the day view settings, which allows them to configure the graph for their business's working hours, along with setting the intervals, in minutes, for data presentation. The bottom table of the dashboard displays a list of all media streams utilized by your contact center. It will order these by best performing, and the table shows key details such as answered, unanswered, and the number of agents currently joined to the media stream. Additionally, you can choose to view based on best performing agent to see the performance of all agents. In the top left of the dashboard, users are presented with data for each of their available media stream types. This table includes key metrics such as the media stream, average answer time, the number of conversations currently in routing, the total number of answered conversations, and the unanswered conversations. The average answer time allows users to see how quickly, on average, agents are responding to conversations in their respective media streams. The routing metric relates to the number of conversations currently within a routing phase. When a conversation is reserved, the number will transfer from this column to that of the answered column. To demonstrate this, we can see in this example that within the contact center, an agent has received an incoming web chat. Whilst this has gone unreserved, it is within a routing phase, meaning that the number of routing web chats has now changed to 1. And when this conversation is then reserved by an agent, this means that the conversation has been answered. As a result of this, the routing column will no longer display a number relative to the conversation, and instead, this number will be added to the answer column. Unanswered conversations are those that have breached their routing phase algorithm and have timed out. For callback, email, Twitter and SMS, this will mean they will be listed as unanswered in the table but are in the Always On queue and will still be presented to agents. As agents answer these conversations, the unanswered count will reduce and the answered count will increment. Too many conversations in unanswered means either that the routing phase for these media streams is not optimally configured or there are too few agents joined. The exception is web chat. Because web chat is a real-time communication, once a web chat has breached the routing phase, it is no longer within the live contact center and the customer has received a pre-configured missed message. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.